If you're born in the following period, your zodiac is a dragon, and this year you're offending the Tai Shui, so there will be lots of ups and downs, lots of challenge to you this year. And this year you have a fall in a special start, which is affecting you, then it will further impact your luck. So do not do any too aggressive or too risky investment. That would be a good idea. And if you want to change to a new job or start a new business, this year, it may not be a good idea to do that. You need to consider it again and then maybe wait and see what's going on. And when you drive, you better drive safe because there's a minor accident out there. Be careful for that one. And do not drink and drive. And when you travel, do not travel to any unsafe location. That would be good for you. And if possible, you can prepare more emergency funding this year and have a good health insurance. That would be a good idea. But don't worry, this year you have two auspicious start helping you. So you have a new opportunity, but I can guarantee you there's a lot of a bad opportunity out there. So you need to select them and take a look really seriously. And the Wakoi is really good for your business. But that will be bad for the relationship. So there will be some issue between you and your family and your spouse. And then there's some loneliness out there. So you need to prepare for that one. And the following month is not a really good one. April, July, August, October, and January next year. But the following 3 months is good. June, September, and December. So anything important you can schedule in this 3 good month, and we still have a good days and then good timing. You can go to my website to download the free Feng Shui guide. There will be more detail. Just search my name, Master Alex Shi, you will find it, and I wish you good luck. Thanks for watching. Bye.